Good morning. We will be writing a program to convert a number from 0 to 255, let's say 200, into a 8-bit binary number in C language. There are different ways to do this, but the first simple way is we are going to use a for loop, all right, from 0 to 7. And let's say the number that user gave is equal to 200, right? And we're going to simply check, we're going to declare a bit position value, which is the power of 2 power 7 minus this for loop say I equal to I. And you need, so what these values are: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry, 5, 6, and 7. So what does it mean? When I equal to 0, 7 minus I is 7. So 2 power 7 is 128. So the bit position value at the beginning will be 128. So we are simply going to say if number greater than or equal to bit position value, we are going to say print 1 and update the number equal to number bit position value. I want you guys to uh, figure out what this is all about, okay? Else, remember you got to put braces here. Some people forget the braces for this if. Else print 0. That's all, very simple, all right? One for loop, uh, one variable, sorry, two variables and three variables. A math function, a greater than or equal to symbol, and simply let's take the iteration 1. What happens to when I equal to 1? 7 minus 1 will be 6. 2 power 6 will be 64. So it keep going down the road, okay? Let's take I equal to 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 power 3 is 8. You see that? So it will keep going down: 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, and 1. So how many iterations? So you need to go through all this, okay? So the code is here. Just like I said, we can just change it to number and update that number. So that's all. Whatever we wrote is exactly here. There's no rocket science here. And the way this is done, you need to figure out by yourself. So simple. There's not rocket science in, but the idea behind this one is how to write a C program with a bunch of if then else statements and a loop and a math function. And this is, so we are going to ask the user to enter a number. So this should be not, so print please enter a number, then you say scanf percent HSU, which is unsigned number ampersand, and see here, I need, after everything is done, I'm going to say print. All right, so this is exactly what we did in the paint. Okay, so I'm going to run this guy. Oh, unsigned. So the this is not unsigned number. So what is number? Number is not unsigned. So we should be unsigned because we are going to use this, right? So if you just run it again, nothing else. So it says enter number 200. 200 is this 128 plus 64, 192 plus 8 is 200. So let's do one more couple of let's visit 128. That's 128. Let's put 64. That's 64. Let's put 255. It's all ones. Let's put 0. It's all 0. So I want you to guys test it like this. Okay. So in this again, revisiting the things that we are using is a for loop, a math function, and a bunch of if then else statements. Okay, simple.